Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup payroll deductions documentation for 401k, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant payroll deductions documentation related to the 401k. Ensure that you have access to both physical and digital records. Identify which documents you need to backup. These may include payroll reports, deduction records, and employee contribution forms. Next, decide on a backup method. You can choose to scan physical documents into a digital format. Alternatively, keep all records in a secure, organized folder on your computer. If using a digital method, use a reliable scanning app or device to convert documents into PDFs. Make sure to label each file with clear, descriptive names for easy identification. Once everything is scanned, create an organized folder structure on your computer. Consider using separate folders for different years, employee names, or document types. After organizing the files on your computer, ensure they are backed up to a secure cloud storage service. Choose a reputable cloud storage provider that offers encryption and security features. After backing up files, create a local backup on an external hard drive or USB flash drive. This provides an additional layer of security and ensures you have access in case of internet issues. Regularly update your backup. Set a reminder to back up new documents monthly or quarterly. Additionally, advise employees about the importance of keeping their own records of contributions and deductions. Consider implementing reminders for them to check their deductions regularly. Finally, review and discard outdated documents that are no longer necessary. Make sure to securely delete any sensitive information to protect employee privacy. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your payroll deductions documentation for the 401k is safely backed up and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.